hanggang ngayon, hindi mo pa rin ba mahanap ang forever mo? Yung pagod na pagod ka na, pero wala ka pa rin napapala. Super effort ka, pero nga. Mag-let go ka na kasi nasa maling tao ka. I mean, nasa maling kumpanya ka. Introducing Swap. Swap is a 100% online network marketing system combined with the power of e-commerce kung saan pwede kang magnegosyo kahit nasa bahay ka lang. We use online tools and technology so you can leverage your time and effort into building your business. Mas pinadali, mas convenient, and hassle-free. Promise, hindi ka pa iiyakin ng Swap. Di gaya ng ex mo. Hi, I'm Richie Yanes, the creator of Swap. Alam mo ba that Swap has already created more than 50 millionaires na nasa bahay lang sila? Today, I'm going to share with you the top 7 reasons why Swap is so powerful na kahit newbie at walang experience, kumikita ng milyon in this business. 1. Swap is 100% portable. Pwede mo dalhin kahit saan because you can do everything sa website. Plus, we have 2 mobile apps. First, Salvewell app for your sales transactions where you can do online sign-up, online ordering or checkout, online payment system na pwedeng GCash, bank, credit card, pati COD, and online activation. Second, Swap Members app where you have a dashboard kung saan you can monitor your earnings and withdraw your commissions anytime. Super convenient, di ba? You can literally make money using just your phone basta meron kang internet. 2. Swap has dropshipping services, so pwede kang mag-e-commerce nang di kailangan mag-stock ng inventory. Pwede kang magbenta kahit wala kang stocks. So, ang gagawin mo lang dito, encode and wait. Encode ka lang ng order sa app or website, then company na ang magpapack, ship, and collect ng payment. Wait ka na lang makredit ang commission sa account mo. At 100% sure na dadating yan. Di gaya ng ex mo, paasa. 3. Swap will give you online business tools na magpapadali ng buhay mo. You will get access to thousands of photos and videos that you can use to attract the right people to buy the products or join the business. Literal na copy and paste ka lang. Magkakaroon ka rin ng replicated sales funnel na merong done-for-you videos just like this. Ang gagawin mo na lang ay mag-send ng link to your prospects at system na ang bahalang mag-present at mag-close sa kanila. Kaya inviting to offline seminars here is purely optional. Di mo na kailangang mangulit, mangidnap, or magmakaawa para lang makapagpa-join because the sales funnel will do the work for you. Yung tipong in-effortan mo, tapos binigyan mo ng panahon, ginastusan mo pa, tapos in the end, i-reject ka lang. Relate? Ganito kasi yan. In traditional MLM, say if may 100 prospects list ka na gusto mong i-invite sa seminar, it will probably take you 2 to 3 months to invite them all kung matyaga ka. Tapos isa lang magjo-join, 99 rejections. Ouch. It happens. Here in Swap, you can filter these 100 people by simply sending your link, which you can do in a matter of days, not months. So, if may isang interested, you can focus your time and effort to this person. Nakasave ka na ng time, you also save yourself from being rejected 99 times. Less rejections equals more happiness. Good vibrations bring more positive results. Imagine your downlines doing the same thing. Kaya mabilis ang duplication, ang ending, mas mabilis ang results mo dito. 4. Swap is a truly people-helping business. Because of its power leg system na merong auto spillover, tulungan talaga dito. Kaya wala kang choice kundi tumulong muna before you earn. It's embedded in the system. Kaya eventually, you will get spillovers or free downlines. Ang saya, diba? 5. Swap implements a one-account first policy. So, hindi mo kailangan maglabas ng malaking kapital para sa 15 or 31 accounts. Personally, ayaw na ayaw ko kasing nakakakita ng mga taong nasunog ang pera, lalo na yung mga nangutang pa. Binigay mo lahat, tapos walang nangyari. Ang sakit, di ba? So here in Swap, you always start with one account, kaya less ang risk mo. Once you tried it and it works, doon ka palang i-allow ng system to add another one. So yes, pwede dito ang second hanggang third account but with qualifications. Kasi bitin naman kung isang account lang, di ba? 6. Swap is flexible. Pwede sa beginner at lalong pwede sa mga batikan na sa industriya. We have low, mid, and high-end packages, which means your market is very, very wide. 7. Swap is very powerful, yet it's safe and it's built to last. The comp plan has 10 ways to earn that creates momentum and direction. May payback bonus for faster ROI. The best part is the system is anti-kamada, kaya it's safe and pang long-term. Mag-invest ka man ng maraming time and effort dito sa swap, hindi ka iiwan sa ere gaya ng ex-company mo. And did I mention we have very powerful and effective products na totoong nakakatulong sa tao? Yung sila na mismo yung nagtatanong ng membership dahil sa products. Dito lang ako sa swap nakakita ng 100, minsan 300 pay-ins normal sa isang buwan. Products pa lang kasi kahit walang kitaan, nagpapamember na yung mga tao dito. Since swap is product-based, dito mo may experience yung true residual income. Yung binary pairing dito, bonus na lang because bulk of your income will come from product movement, which is the true essence of network marketing. A revolutionary system combined with best-selling products, baka dito ka na sa swap mag-settle down. Hindi mo na kailangang humanap pa ng iba. So, if you are looking for an ideal company na stable na, may in-demand products pang long-term, pero nasa pioneering stage pa rin, Swap is the perfect business for you. It's a modern networking system that is way ahead of its competitors. If you want to learn more about the products, the company behind Swap, and the powerful ways to earn, click the button below, sign up now for free, and watch the next video. Thanks for watching. It's Rich Yanis, CEO and creator of Swap. I'll see you in the next video.